which were sculpted by Oscar J. W. Prince. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments and building genius of America. In the same